Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Red Tiger dash cam. You should buy their dash camera or not. They are really worth it or not. So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is approx like 3 years from now, and REDTIGER.cam you can see over here 3 years from now. And they have three types of camera. The first is like F17 and F17 Elite and View Clear 70. So covering all three cameras in this video it's not possible, so we are going to discuss about some important informations, and after that we will cover this camera F17 Elite. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is 100% legit. They have provided their phone number, each and everything is really good. They are also listed on Trustpilot. And if we talk about like the brand is really legit. Okay, now let's talk about the product like F7 Elite. So basically F7 Elite is a dash camera which comes with 3-channel full night color. 3-channel means you can record 3 camera views at a single time. Okay, like the front and the rear and the back side or left side or right side, whatever you want, you can record 3 channels at a single time. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. You can see $239, and in this price what you will get if you are going to make a purchase of this camera in the package, what you will get. Basically you can see over here, this is the camera, and when you buy this product, basically you will get these kind of things in the package of the camera, like a camera dash cam, a 2K rear camera, and 3100 and you can say like 28 GB of storage, and you can store up to like 10 days of recording. Okay, 10 days it means you can say like 1 day is 24 hours, 240 hours approx timing. Okay, you can record. And if we talk about like other things, the other things you will get like a glue, and you can say like a data cable, and 18 feet rear camera cable, and car wire trim tool, adhesive, and electrostatic sticker, and there are so many things. When you purchase this product you will get. It is really easy to install by using these, you can say like accessories. Okay, so now let's talk about you should buy or not. Yes, definitely you can make a purchase, and you can also see like there are so many videos is also available. You can say like these are video quality, and the you can say like the things they are using, so how they are, you can how it's looking in your car, and how it's really easy to handle, it's really easy to use or not. So there are lots of videos available. You can watch the videos and you can get reference. Okay, so now let's talk about, is this video is sponsored? No, this video is not sponsored. This is only a information purpose video. And if we talk about before placing your order, make a proper research and then you can make a purchase. Okay, if this product is available on Amazon.com, then you should buy this product on Amazon.com. Don't try to purchase this product on official website, and just try to buy this product on you can say like Amazon.com, because on Amazon.com you can easily return your product, and you can easily you can like get your product. And in this camera you will see these are the features like parking surveillance, and 5.0 gigahertz fast Wi-Fi connectivity, full night color, and dual HDR. Voice control is also available in this camera. 3-inch touch screen also available, and the processor is comes with like dual Starwish 2. So basically these are the details. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, and if you have any experience with this camera, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.